It's that time of year again. Time to rummage through your closet to get out that difficult-to-reach bin beneath all your other junk. You know, the one with all the Christmas decorations. Wow! Check this one out. It cost me $100, and it's already broken. But that's okay, because I already made this beautiful printable Christmas town available now on our Etsy shop. And as a special gift to all my wonderful subscribers this holiday season, I'm giving away this Christmas town post office template for free on our YouTube channel, so that everyone can join in on the fun. So sit back, relax, and subscribe today to keep up to date with everything miniature. To make your paper postal service, you'll need a pair of scissors and some glue, and the link to the free template located in the description below. To make your Christmas town post office, you'll first want to print out the second and third pages on 65-pound cardstock. Then, cut out page 2 of the template as shown, and cut into the template along the lines shown. This will enable us to create tabs, which we will later glue to the inside of our post office. Once that's done, simply fold the template along all the lines shown. I find that the easiest way to do this is to first pinch the paper at the corners and then fold the paper till they meet in the center. This makes it a lot easier. After you've made all your folds, you can now apply glue to the white tabs and paste them to the inside of your post office until it looks something like this. You know, good. This next part is optional, but if you want your post office to have a base with snow-capped edges, then cut out the base from page 3 of your template and fold it along all the lines shown. Once you've folded all the corners upwards, you can now apply glue to the inside of the corners and connect your post office to the base. I find it helpful to rotate the template, applying pressure from corner to corner to ensure an even fit, but don't worry about getting it perfect. The journey is more fun than the attainment of one's goal, so take your time and maybe sip some wine. To add emergency rooftop access to your tiny post office, cut out this piece from page 3 of your template. Like before, we'll want to then cut into the template along the lines shown to create tabs which will give it stability. Next, fold the template along all the lines shown using the techniques I already showed you before. Then, glue the white tabs to the inside of the template and set it aside for later. Now, cut out the rooftop snow and then paste it to the rooftop. You'll notice that this will serve as a guide for where you should place your emergency rooftop access, which can be done by applying glue to the white tabs on the bottom and pasting it to the top of your post office. Now, you may have noticed that there are 6 snow blobs on page 3. 4 of these are meant to go on the rooftop corners, and 2 of these are meant as additional snow caps to the edges of your emergency rooftop edifice, a word seldom used for its lack of everyday utility. To add the roof caps, cut out the snow blobs, then make small incisions along the lines shown so that folding these will be easier. Once folded, apply tiny dabs of glue and affix as many as you like, wherever you like. This is your town, and it plays by your rules. Adding snow-capped edges to the rooftop edifice is even easier. Just cut out the snow blob, fold it in half, and paste it to one of the corners. Lastly, all that's left to do is to make your snowman. To do this, first fold the tabs on the bottom of the snowmen. Then, glue the two snowmen together to create a mystical bond and unification. Lastly, glue it onto the little square base. And there you have it, a beautiful little paper post office. The only thing missing now is a Christmas miracle, which you can create by going to your mailbox, identifying all the bills, and then processing them through the paper shredder to create your very own white Christmas.